Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friends. Today I am going to show you a positional strategy, or also it's a swing strategy. Many were asking me to come out with a strategy of positional swing trading strategy because many had a constraint of time. Many were working, and there were many working professionals, businessmen who could not do intraday trade. So this strategy is very beautiful. You will get almost 100% returns every year, which is very safe, and it is based on Nifty index. So I'll be showing you how exactly you have to enter, how you have to exit, what's the stop loss you have to keep, what is the money management, all those details along with back tested files. Everything will be provided in this video, so stay tuned till the end of the video. So as I told you again friends, this is a swing trading strategy. You have to just place trade end of the day, and then next day if the market is as per our condition itself, then you can continue, otherwise you can sell it off. And this does not requires any indicators, it does not require any chart calculations, nothing of that sort. You don't need to know even fundamentals, technical, nothing. Even a novice trader, even a working person, whoever has just 2 minutes and who knows to trade in your mobiles, I think almost all of you will be knowing how to trade in your mobiles. So if you know to trade in mobile, and if you just have 2 minutes of your time, then you can implement this strategy easily and make money. So this is a Nifty index strategy, which but we will be trading in Nifty Bs. So to know what is Nifty Bs, also I'll be explaining to you. So before going forward, let me just show you my open trade performance for the month of June. Friends, as you all know, I've been sharing my trade. Whenever I trade, I will send the calls immediately by WhatsApp. You can just watch my live trading videos. Okay, so this was the performance equity. Equity was very good. We had almost 36% in the 36% return in the month of June. Okay, it is good enough. Okay, and so we can accordingly increase the capital. And crude also was excellent. We had almost 25% return in the month of June. So you can see losses as well as profit, but overall the average has to be profit. That is the secret of trading. Natural gas was excellent. Starting of the month we had all continuous profits, but end of the month we had a few stop losses, but also end of the month average was in positive. So this was about the equity, commodity and commodity calls. So this is nothing but as soon as I trade, I send the calls by WhatsApp. You can just inquire if you want any doubts to know further about this. You can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Okay friends, so let us go forward. So let me just first ask you this question: does everybody knows about Nifty Bs? So I had previously come out with a video on Nifty Bs where I had told you that for long-term investment I usually use Nifty Bs. What happens basically is when you invest in stock, you have to continuously keep monitoring whether the stock goes up, the stock goes down, whether the fundamentals are correct. All those things research has to be done. So many of them prefer to invest on the index, Nifty index. But how do you invest on the index? We can invest on index by purchasing Nifty Bs. So Nifty Bs is nothing but basically this is done by managed by Reliance. So what they do is the 50 stocks which are shortlisted in Nifty, they buy the same proportion of stocks. It's almost like a mutual fund, you can say. It is nothing but an ETF. So what they do is they buy the equal quantity, same quantity of Nifty 50, all the stocks in the same proportion, and maintain the fund. So as the Nifty value increases, the Nifty B's value also increase. If Nifty decreases, Nifty B's also will decrease. So the movement will be proportional. But one thing which we can observe here is, which I have observed and I found out a very beautiful secret, which you also can implement yourself, is that when Nifty goes up or goes down, nobody can buy Nifty, but they can only buy Nifty B's. So what I have observed is whenever Nifty index goes up, there is a lot of demand created, and most of them buys Nifty B's, invests in Nifty B's. This is a human psychology. So using this, I have come out with a strategy. So I'll explain to you what the strategy is all about. The strategy is buy Nifty B's if the Nifty index goes up. So this is an equity, it's an ETF, so you can't short it, you can't sell it. So you have to buy it, and this has to be done at the end of the day. Say for example at 3:15, you find that the Nifty, you always have to see the spot value, not the future value. You find that the Nifty spot value is in positive. So if you find that it is in positive, then immediately at 3:15, after 3:15, between 3:15 to 3:30, you have to immediately buy Nifty B's. Okay, and then you have to wait for the next day full. Next day wait till 3:15. If you find that the Nifty is in positive itself, then continue your trade. You don't have to square it off. But in case if you find the next day that Nifty is negative, then that day you have to sell it. Simple logic. So as long as the Nifty is in positive, Nifty index is in positive trend means the close is greater than the high. Sorry, the close is greater than the open. That means it is positive for the end of the day. You can find that Nifty will be green. So those days, please continue in the buy signal, buy trade. And if you find any particular day Nifty is become red, on that day by end at 3:15, 3:16, you can sell it off. So by another one day, your money will be back in your account, or it will also be available in your balance. You can buy the next day at 3:15. You have one day time. So friends, I'll show you the Excel so that you get a better understanding, better clarity. Okay. So this is the Excel which I have done, back tested for 2018. I have tested for 5 years and the results are awesome. You can implement it immediately, easily. Okay. So to my left side is the Nifty spot. You can see here from 1st Jan I have taken Nifty spot, the open price, high price, low and close. And to my right side is Nifty B's. Okay, so Nifty B's value, you know, it is it's in the range of thousands, and the Nifty is in the range of 10,000. So almost you can say divide by 10 times. So accordingly you can plan your money management. If you have 1 lakh, you can buy 100 lots. If accordingly you can decide how much lots you can trade. Okay friends. Yeah. So going forward, as I told you, just look if Nifty is positive or negative. I have put this 0, 1 just to decide whether Nifty is positive or Nifty is negative. 0 means it is negative, 1 means it's positive. Say for example on 1st Jan, market opened at 10,532 and it closed at 10,436. So it is a negative trend. So you can see that I have not traded anything. Okay, on the next day again market opened at 478 and closed at 442. Again there is no trade. I marked it 0. Again the third day it is 1043 and closed at 10443. Again it is 0. Okay, so now from here the trade starts. It opened at 10,469 and closed at 10,505. So you can see that Nifty is positive. That is why I have got this 1 here. I have just done a formula that you can see the formula. If close is greater than the open, then you put it 1. So you found that Nifty is positive here. So end of the day, I just have to buy. Okay. So you can see end of the day prices, Nifty B's prices 10,081. Fine. Next day, market opened at 10,534 and closed at 10,559. It's still in positive trend. You can see that 1 year. So I have maintained. I have not sold anything. You can see that nothing is done. Again on the third day, market has opened as 10,592. It has closed at 10,624. Again it is positive. You can see that I have not sold it. Yes. Okay. Then on the fourth day, you can say that market has opened at 10,645 and it has closed at 10,637. I have marked it as 0. That means market is negative. So end of the day, I have to close it at 10,094. Sorry, 1,094. Okay friends, so now 1094 minus 1087, it is 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. So you can see that I got 8 points here without any, okay, sorry, it is from, I bought it at here, 81, so I was correct, it was 14 points, yeah. So you can see that I bought it at 1,081 and I am selling it at 1,095. Thereby giving me a profit of 14 points. So this is how we have to trade. So friends, this I have taken for 1 lot. For 1 lot you got 14 points. So no, we don't trade with 1 lot. You all know that you can at least invest minimum 50,000-60,000 or 1 lakh, 2 lakh. This is a positional trading strategy, so you don't have to worry so much, no tension, no headache. Just see at 3:15 what is the situation of Nifty index, and then accordingly you have to buy Nifty B's. Okay, so I'll just show you one more and then we'll close it off. Okay, so next day again market opened at 10,652, again closed at 10,682. There's no trade. Yeah, again the market opened at 10,637 and closed at 10,651. You can see that it is 1. So accordingly I bought at 1,100, and next day immediately you can see market has become negative. Opened at 10,683 and closed at 10,681. So market had gone up till 1011, but end of the day it has closed at 1002, whereby giving us a profit of only 2.4 points. Okay friends, so this is how the strategy is. So you can see that there was one loss also, in the same way positive, again continuous positive. So you can see overall average 247 up to present I have taken till 29 June, that means the latest till the last week data I have taken, and we can see that beautifully the data is 247 points. So easily without any tension, usually you can make with one lot 247. So accordingly you can plan for 100 lots with 1 lakh capital. This is equity trade, so you won't be getting leverage. So with 1 lakh you can buy full all 100 lots, and easily you can make 20-30,000 rupees. In a month you can easily earn 10,000 rupees. That is 10% is very good enough. So you saw the strategy, it is very safe. If you want to start off slowly, you can start with 50,000 rupees buying 50 lots and just see how the performance is going on. If you're feeling very confident, if you feel that you can trade yourself, if you feel that comfortable, you can go ahead with higher quantities. Otherwise, please maintain for 50 lots for 1 month, 50 shares for 1 month, and once you're confident, you can go forward. Yeah? Okay. So let me just close it up. Stop loss you can keep 5%. In case next day market opens and you find that it is going more than 5%, then you can immediately square it off. And when it comes to profit, you have to run the profits. Don't keep targets, just keep profits for the next day, you can always keep profits. Okay friends, hope you liked the video. If you are watching this video for the first time, please press the subscribe button. And if you want the backtested file, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And in case if you want to join Upstock or Zerodha using the, if you want to join, you can use the link which I provided in the description of the video. And once if you use it and join Upstock, then you'll be getting 50% discount on my paid calls. So my paid calls you have seen already, I've shown the results. So if you also want to trade along with me, you can make use of the facility. And any other trading services, any other trading courses you want, you can just inquire. You can WhatsApp on my number as I already mentioned, 8095876525. So thank you and have a nice day.